Hey there, and welcome to the Quick and Dirty Show with Nat and Marks. And there's a reason why we call it the Quick and Dirty Show. Not only because we're really quick with our videos, most of them are under 10 minutes, there's only a few, but it's just like this kind of thing is just, you know.
What kind of thing?
I don't know. It's just us.
Huh.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, well, yeah, I think it's great.
So, we are here today. We are with the Quick and Dirty Show. First of all, let me just say, this is the place to be. That we share weight loss strategies so you can lose weight with these. But we also share the what to eat, the how to eat, the when to eat, and all that good stuff around eating. And we share some pretty cool tips when it comes to just like different cooking techniques. And Marks has some really cool things that he does that I don't know how to do. I wouldn't even attempt to do. So he's going to show me, and then I'm actually going to attempt it.
You know where this started from?
No.
Your mom.
Of course it did.
It was a conversation with your mom about, I can't cut onions because I'm a mess. My tears are just through the, and I thought, there's somewhere that I read or I saw, or I don't know, some sort of shortcut or trick about how to cut an onion without crying your face off. So here's the trick. I'm going to share it with you. Not my trick at all, but I use it now every time I cut an onion. It also cuts down on some of the waste too. So top side of the onion, bottom side, that's the kind of hairy little bits that some onions have.
Excuse me, the hairy little bits? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
On the bottom of the onion.
Oh, of course. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Go ahead.
No. So this is the portion that you don't want to cut. What happens is when this gets cut off, this end, this is when the onion starts to weep, and it will make you weep. So I'm gonna cut off the top. Like it is.
And this works for just a normal onion. If you don't have, not that this isn't a normal onion, but if you don't have all this stuff, just a regular onion. If you just, right? Yeah. I know,
onion?
but you know, the
one that doesn't have the green?
One that doesn't have the greens on the top.
So what I'm gonna do is just cut it this way, right? Again, hairy little bits at the end. If you want, you can point them away from you. I'm just gonna cut it like that. That's it, all right? I'm gonna just cut a half.
Cut all the way
I'm
through.
gonna do,
okay.
How about I do half?
Yep.
And then you do half.
Okay, good.
Okay?
Okay, go.
So what you wanna do is make your incisions, not like that, because you wanna keep everything together. You notice that I'm not cutting, except for the first cut where I made a mistake, but I'm not cutting all the way through, and I'm keeping
the hairy bits.
Yeah, don't worry, don't cut the hairy bits. And then what you want to do is keep all that stuff together. If you're doing a kind of a fine dice, you can make a cut in like this. You notice that I've got my thumb out of the way, right? And then I'm just going to start to make my dice, keeping it all together. It's coming apart a little bit here.
It is coming apart. It's okay, wait till you see mine. It's gonna be a disaster.
And then what you get
So
is
it doesn't have to be perfect.
it doesn't. But what I like is that there's not a whole lot of waste, just that little bit towards the end. Pitch that in the compost.
But show them what it looks like. So it's all the hairy bits are still intact. That's what creates the weeping.
Right.
That makes us weep.
The end of the onion. So you're up, Lockhart.
I don't know if I want to do this. So hairy bits intact. And you don't touch the cutting board?
But you're not cutting all the way through, right?
Right.
Towards the end. Yeah, you want to keep everything.
Oh no, I just cut all the way through.
Tuck your thumb in. You're going to cut
Oh
your
my
thumb
gosh,
off. There
I'm
you
not
go.
going to cut my thumb off. Oh, it smells delicious. How am I doing, Marks? Do you know who's really going to enjoy this video?
Your mom.
Is my mom.
Yeah.
Oh no, I went all the way through. Ah.
Okay.
I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. Okay, and then you did that?
Can do, yeah. if you're doing a pretty fine dice, watch your fingertips.
See how I hold my fingers? I'm terrible at chopping and cutting and stuff. Oh, I think I just chopped my nail off.
There you go.
But none of the hairy bits, and then you just start. No, look at my terrible way that I just hold like grip everything.
You're good. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Oh, I know.
Don't overthink it.
No. Okay, that's it. Look at mine compared to yours. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, we'll be done now.
Well done.
All the hairy bits. Still though.
Everything stays intact.
It's still intact,
yeah,
so it doesn't
end.
make you weep.
And look, there's none. I'm not weeping, are you?
No, I'm not weeping. No. But I have contacts in.
Yeah.
And it doesn't, if you cut onions when you wear contacts, it doesn't, you don't cry because it doesn't get into your eyes somehow. I don't know. I know. Anyway, that's it. That is our cooking tip for not how to cut an onion so you don't weep. This one is for you, Mama. Thank you so much for watching. And as my daughter keeps telling me that I need to say, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button. Did you hear that? Smash the button, the like and subscribe. And if you have not already signed up for our free video series, make sure you head over to nat&marks.ca and sign up for that free video series where you get weight loss strategies that actually work. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time on The Quick and Dirty Show.